I'm joined by Diane Fletcher, the President and CEO of the Southwest Georgia Cancer Coalition. And we're here to talk about what the coalition does and its plans for 2012. And welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
And first question, Diane, is what brought you here to Albany and to work with the Southwest Georgia Cancer Coalition?
Oh, I appreciate that question because it's always a pleasure to answer that. I found it to be an opportunity to really make a difference in local communities. And when I learned about the high rates of cancer in Southwest Georgia, I had background in, I was an oncology nurse, I had done research, I had done education and worked in hospitals, and it just seemed to be a good fit for my background, and I wanted to try to change the statistics in the local communities here and work with a local organization, and that's what the Southwest Georgia Cancer Coalition is.
And secondly, what do you like the most about your job?
I really enjoy the opportunity to change people's lives, to help them to learn how to live healthier, for example, to stop smoking, to exercise, eat a healthier diet, all the things that you and I and everybody else knows we should do, but we often don't follow that. And a lot of what we do at the Cancer Coalition is teaching individuals about how to change their lives, and so I very much enjoy that, and also helping people to get the care they need if they are at risk for cancer, diagnosed with cancer, and in order to, we refer them to the local cancer centers where they can be treated, or we provide screening, cancer screening for individuals who are uninsured.
And what challenges does the coalition face, fighting cancer, especially here in Southwest Georgia?
Well, the challenge, I'd say the biggest challenge is we cover a broad area, 31 counties. And so it's such a large area with about 700,000 residents. So probably the biggest challenge is reaching all of the individuals and families that need to be educated or need services. And the other challenge is having the resources, because particularly in this economy, we receive funding from a number of different sources, and as we all know, the federal budget, the state budget, individuals and foundations, everybody has been watching their dollars more, so we are limited in what we can provide by the resources that we have, the funding and the other support. So there's a lot of need in the area. It's a large area, and I wish we had millions of dollars, because then we could do everything that we do. That's the challenge.
And tell me about the 3 most recent grants, as well as the Bunko tournament and other programs and initiatives the coalition's undertaking this year.
Oh, great. Well, again, I'm glad you asked about that. One new grant that we had received, which is from the Department of Public Health. It's through state funding, and it's particularly we are to use that for better tobacco control, especially to help people to quit smoking or not to smoke at all. And you may have seen, or your listeners may have seen, some of our ads that have been in the media, on media, on websites, on various newspapers and different publications across the area, and it refers individuals to the Georgia Tobacco Quit Line. And that is where they can receive free help to quit smoking. Now all of this, being able to design these ads and to widely publicize this has been through grant funds that we received through the Department of Public Health. So that's one of our newest grants. You mentioned the Bunko event. That's a great fundraiser that particularly Albany and the surrounding area has embraced. We did that for a second time last month because we had so much success with it last spring. And it seems that women are the ones that play bunco. We have not had a man yet to come, but they know that it's for a good cause, and it's a very simple game with dice. It's not gambling. It's it's just a very simple game that people play, and it's really just the bunco is doing that is just a way to bring individuals together for a fun-filled social evening, but that they know that what they're donating by their registration fee, by items we have donated from local businesses to the auction, they know that every penny that is raised through those events helps to support the Cancer Coalition for local services. So they may be helping their own family members and definitely friends and neighbors by supporting those fundraisers. So we're grateful to the community.
And is there anything else you would like to add that hasn't been discussed so far?
Well, I guess it's just to remind the people of Southwest Georgia that everything that we do is focused on finding the answers here, finding out why the rates of cancer are higher than average. We need to know, we need to find the best ways to approach this so that we can prevent cancer, we can better control it, and so that individuals here know that we exist exclusively to serve the communities here. So all of our programs, all of our services, our education, our research, everything I've described to you is done right here in our communities. And also for people to know that maybe thinking about supporting organizations that, again, as I mentioned with the bunco, 100% of every penny that's donated to us stays right here and is used here. And we're grateful for any support we receive.
And would you like to share any final thoughts?
Well, I appreciate the opportunity to, first of all, thank individuals that have supported us through our fundraising events. Thank the people that participate in our research studies. If anybody receives a phone call or a mailing about the opportunity to participate in research, it's something that's very important. It does help us to find out what and why is happening in this area. I want to thank the people that support us through their donations, the businesses, and also the academic institutions like Emory University that's partnered with us, the cancer centers in particular, Phoebe Cancer Center, Archibald, South Georgia Medical Center, and Tift Regional. We work through all of these partnerships, and through that we've been able to have more opportunities and resources come here to this corner of the state, and we all know that we need to find better ways to control cancer here, and that's basically in a nutshell what we do and what the Cancer Coalition is all about. And again, I'm thankful for the opportunity to be able to let more individuals know what we do.
And thank you, Diane Fletcher, the President and CEO of the Southwest Georgia Cancer Coalition, and thank you for taking time out of your schedule to talk.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.